Hello friends, welcome all of you to the YouTube channel of CS Sheikh. In this video, we are going to come across a very important topic, that is how to create a CV or resume. By the end of the video, I will let you know from where to come to this website or how to download. So keep watching the video until the end. Let's begin step by step. To the bottom left side, you can see create. Click on that and here you see various different sections: personal detail, education, experience, skill. So one by one I will show you how to make your CV and fill the details. First we'll click on the personal details. This includes your name, address, wherever you are you can fill your complete address. You can write whatever email you wish to add, number for your contact details. Okay, photo, which is totally optional, either you can add that or you may not add this. Important is you have to save after each step. Now I will click on the save button and it is saved. Further we will add education details. Click on the add button. Here you have to add in chronological order, as if you have completed MSc, first add MSc. If you have completed only BSc, first add BSc, then 12th, then 10th. Why so? This will come accordingly: MSc, BSc, 12th, 10th. If you add 10th, it will show 10th class first. So likewise you have to add highest degree should be added first. So now here we will write, suppose MSc. School from wherever you have completed, example. Okay, now some colleges, universities have percentage or some have grades, so you can likewise mention that 79 percentage, let's say, in the year, which year, 2021. Now you have to do save. Okay, you have to click on the save option, but you have more education details, like you have completed BSc, so again go to the education section, plus that is you have to click on the add button towards the bottom left side. Right here which degree, BSc degree, from which college, Pune college. You have to mention the complete name of your college, percentage whatever you have obtained, 89 percentage, let's say, year, whatever year you have completed. Okay, 2018, 19, whatever. Save. Okay, experience, if you have some kind of experience, job, company name, if you have attempted for 6 months, 1 year, you can mention here. Let's say company name is XYZ, job title is assistant professor, starting date was 2019 to 2020. If you have did your job or no problem, you can skip this as it is. If you want to add details you can, if you don't want, you will leave that. Save option again. Now here comes important point, skills. What skills do you have? You have to mention one by one that you have various different skill, learning ability you have. You can add that one by one, learning ability. Then you have to press add button again. Second skill, what skill you have? Management and organization you can do very nicely, so like that skills you can add. Save button again. Next is objective. Why you want to join the academic, or why you want to join that pharmaceutical company or any company or any kind of job. You have to mention your job. You have to mention here your objective, why you have to. Now see here, very important is examples are provided, from where, see, select objective, click on that button, you will get various objectives. See example, click the example to edit. Here you can see various examples. So this provides you the best CV to make. I seek challenging opportunities where I can fully use my skills for the success of organization. Okay, now see, just click on that and here you can add that objectives. Okay, save, click on the save button. If you have any references for company, you can go to that, add your references if you have that. If no problem. Project, if you have completed any project during your BSc, during your MSc, mention here. Now XYZ is the name of the project. Description, what you have actually done in your project. You can add here. Okay, this way we will add here something just to see how the CV looks. Save button again. Now very important point comes in more section. You can see one button here, add more section. Click on that. Now what is this? Here you can add various different options like interest. If you want to add interest, what interest you have? Suppose you have hobby like collecting old coins, or whatever interest, trekking. Okay, you can add that. Let's say you have added here trekking, so interest. Okay, again go to add more section. What you can choose here? Achievement and award. What award if you have obtained in BSc or MSc? If you were first ranker, so you can mention that first ranker in MSc or whatever it is. Okay, save again. Next is add more section. So here you can see different options. Signature, if you wish to add signature, you can. Now see, here are two options. Either you can directly sign or upload. If you have a photo, choose an upload option and you can do that. But if you don't have photo, click on sign and directly mention your sign here by finger and you can get it. Okay, save now. Okay, this is already saved. See, you can see your signature option. This is done. Now if you wish to rearrange or edit headings, you can also do that. See here, rearrange. Suppose you wish to reset the order, references you want upside, interest you want at the last, you can do that. So, and after that we will consider that we have already added all the information we have. We will see how our CV looks like. So click on the bottom line, view CV. View CV. Now very important point comes, choose template. Template means what? How your CV will look. There are 42 templates available. If you scroll down, here are 42 templates. So how you wish to look your CV? So there are various different ways and types are given. These are called as templates. So see which template you wish. Let's say we will choose 42 number. Now I have chosen 42 and my CV will look this way. See, you can zoom and see the name is mentioned above, the place is mentioned, email is mentioned, objective. Now I thought this is not good one. What you have to do? Press the back key again. Again back key and more templates you can see. Again, which one is looking good one? See, if you have doubt, you can go to middle tab, that is professional. Now you can select from this also. See, third number, we will choose third one. Let's see how it looks like. So this one is again very good one. So here total there are 42 templates. It is the best thing. You can make whatever modification you wish. Okay, one important point is, if you have completed now MSc, after 1 year you wish to change your CV, or in middle of the 6 months you have completed some kind of course, you wish to add that, you can edit your CV anytime. You can add your achievements, you can add your courses anytime, publications anytime. See, you can also see your sign is also shown here. Okay, so this way, this is the best. You can download directly, you can share option. Color is available. If you wish to change the color, see, I am choosing red color, it becomes the red. Interest, achievement, all colors are changing. If I wish to give it green color, colors are available. So it is the best. Now comes the most important point, how to do this. You have to go to the Play Store, right there, intelligent CV. You have to search intelligent CV, INTELLIGENT, intelligent CV. Download this app and start making your CV. Also share with your friends. Like this video and please subscribe to my video for new upcoming topics. Like this you will get much knowledge from this video. Thank you so much.